Hello, friends. I hope you are well. This week, I discovered a new hike. It was so beautiful to see the variety of vegetation. It always brings such a calm feeling to see so much green around me. I usually never want to leave, and whenever I come home, I always feel as if I've gone into another world. And returning to the city again feels a little bit like a shock to my system. This week, my roommate and I finally put in the garden. Especially when getting out into nature is not always possible. Having a garden is a nice way of bringing nature closer to home. The other day, I spotted some wild raspberries in the mountains. As people are not allowed to pick plants or flowers without a permit, I had to exercise great discipline not to pick. So I think having a garden is an active way of connecting with the earth and Mother Nature, especially if you have itchy fingers. Though it is hard work, I think having a garden is also healing. You know, when you spend enough time digging in the dirt, especially for people who feel unworthy and not good enough. And maybe there are some who even feel as worthless as dirt. You remember that soil provides nourishment for a seed to grow. Putting in this garden has brought back a lot of memories. As a child, I lived in an apartment complex where the backyard was one big slab of concrete. And I remember that next to the wall of the apartment building was a tiny patch of dirt. I planted 2 green beans there. And every day after school, I'd run to the backyard to water it and to check its progress. Though it was so small, it brought me a lot of joy and excitement. Do you have a garden? A windowsill? A fire escape? Or maybe a patch of dirt next to a wall, like me? Let me know in the comments section where your garden is right now. Though I still long to live in the country, the story reminds me that the mountains aren't the only places to connect to nature and to find joy. As peace and stillness starts from within, I think that wherever we are, we can truly create that space of peace and connection, even when the patch of dirt next to the wall doesn't exist. I hope that you are enjoying your summer and that you are finding moments of peace and joy. Until next time, please take care.